morning children. Have a nice day. See ya children, in previous class what I taught you? I have taught you that how the animals were, how they were mingle each other and who are the guests when they are doing musical evenings, what they did in the previous class I have taught you. So now let us go again. Open your textbooks, page number 5. Again I will start from page number 5. They held musical evening in the large open field. So who is going to hold the musical evening? Animals. Animals are going to hold musical evenings. What is the meaning of musical evening? Musical evening is nothing but some some birds will sing and some animals will dance. Like that music, they will on the music and they will be celebrating their last weekend. The elephant and the deer danced, the miners and the parrots sang, the tigers and the bear exhibited gymnastics. They called the moon and his friends. Okay children, already in the previous class I have taught you how they were enjoying, who were singing, who is dancing, this all we came to know. Then suddenly one day what happened? Someone entered in the forest. Who entered in the forest? Jackal entered in the forest. How is jackal? He is very dirty, dangerous and cunning animal. So after entering, first what he did? First he went near the elephant. And what he said to the elephant? He said the elephant that you are so big animal. Why you are appreciating the small animals? Then again he went near the deer and he said that tigers are planning to kill you and eat. Like that, this jackal is poisoning everyone here and dividing each and every animal. Next, come down. Gradually, all the animals began suspending one another. What is the meaning of suspending? It is nothing but talking bad about one animal to other animal. Now, elephant, they are very much angry on small animals. Peacock. What jackal said to peacock? You are a very beautiful bird. Why you are praising Maina? So like that. Now what peacock is feeling that it is very beautiful bird. Why I should praise others? I am only so beautiful. Such kind of feelings have been entered in their mind. Never they started to put up boundaries and build fences around their properties. Yes, before jackal entered, there were no boundaries. Big animals, small animals, birds, insects, they all used to roam freely because they are not afraid of anyone. As jackal entered, as he spread poison in every animal's ears, all the animals is thinking that I am great, and they started forming boundaries. Boundaries means what? Big animals must not come in small animals area. Why? Because the small animals are afraid of big animals. Why they are afraid? Because they may kill, they may eat them. So like that, this all started again. They moved about individually or with their own group. So small animals, you can take the example of hens. Before, hens were very much happy. Now what they are doing? They are going in a group. Single hen is not roaming in the forest. Now it was easy for the jackal to hunt the smaller animals and the birds. What was the aim of the jackal first? Its aim is to divide and rule. It wants to divide all the animals, and if the animals are divided, if big animals are not supporting small animals, so it will be easy for him to kill and eat. So that's why he prepared a plan and he entered in the forest. As big animals are not interfering in small animals, what the jackal is doing? In every night, it is killing the small animals and eating. And when the smaller ones cried up for help, no one came to help them. So as the jackal is catching one small animal, their small animals are crying, help, help it, they are crying and shouting, but whereas big animals are not bothering, they are not coming, they are not helping. Now they start, one by one the little ones disappeared. The forest slept as the animals were afraid. There were no more musical evenings. The moon was very sad. So what happened? As big animals are not caring for small animals, this jackal is killing them and eating them. So every weekend, means every last Saturday evening, they used to conduct musical evening. But what happened? Because of jackal, everyone is divided. So there is no musical evening. And who are the guests of musical evening before? Yes, moon and stars are the guests of musical evening. But now moon is seeing from upside what is happening in the forest. The moon thought for a while and decided to come down among the animals and birds as a sadhu. So now moon understood what is happening in the forest. So now what the moon thought? He decided to come into the forest. So as a moon he can't come, no? So he want to come in a sadhu. He will come in a place of sadhu and he will be again making every animal close to each other. As soon as the sadhu appeared in the forest, you can see in the picture Nana here, animals are there and sadhu is there. This sadhu is, who is this sadhu? He is a moon. But he appeared like sadhu so that he can explain, he can make close to each and every animal. As soon as the sadhu appeared in the forest, the animals and the birds approached him to narrate their tales of woe. They cried, sobbed and blamed each other for disturbing the peace in the forest, and the sadhu listened to them. As soon as the sadhu appeared, what happened? Every animal came near him and they were saying the problems and crying in front of sadhu. So sadhu knows everything about animals. So what he did, just he is listening. Now what he is going to say, let us see. Open page number 6. The sadhu brought together the lions and the rabbits for a common meal. So first sadhu called lions and rabbits to eat the meal. He invited them in the meal. He visited the python and the viper and had a long chat with them. So he called them lions and rabbit and he explained them and he made friendship between them. Then again what he did, he went near python and there also he explained what and what is not. He advised the eagle not to attack the little chicks and had lost their mother. So you know the eagle? So he went near eagle and said, please don't kill small chicks because they don't have mother. Already jackal had ate the mother. The sadhu accompanied the tiger and the wild bear to the nearest market. He played with the bulbul, the owl and the monkeys. So what the sadhu did, one by one he went near every animal and he said them what is the meaning of unity. What will happen if we are united? What will happen if we are divided? Like that he is going near every animal and he is explaining them. But the jackal was very angry with what the sadhu was doing. Yes, it's common. If one person is doing good, the other person will feel very angry because he don't want to unite, he want to divide. So that's why jackal is getting angry on sadhu. He did not want the animals to live in peace and harmony. Yes, who don't want all the animals to live in peace? Yes, that is jackal. So he was waiting for an opportunity to attack the sadhu. So what the jackal's plan now? He want to kill sadhu. If sadhu is killed, all the animals again they will divide. Because of sadhu, all are united. One day the animal, insects and birds held an emergency meeting and they unanimously decided to approach the sadhu and pleaded with him to kill the jackal. The sadhu said, I will not kill the jackal, but help you in a different way. So one day what happens, children? All the birds, animals, they called sadhu for an emergency meeting. So now every animal understood now what is jackal? So what they are requesting to sadhu, sir, please kill jackal. Because of him, we lost our peace and harmony. Before we used to enjoy our musical evening. But because of sadhu, today we are again divided. You please kill him. So what sadhu said? Sadhu said, I will not kill. Just I will plan for different way. But I don't want to kill jackal. When the sun went to sleep, the jackal came to the house of the hens to take a few of them for his supper. The sadhu who had been lodging nearby came out of the house and spoke to the jackal. Take me today for your meal. So what happened when everyone is sleeping in the night? Jackal went near the hens. Why he went? To do friendship? No, to kill them and fill his stomach. So when the chick started crying, Sadhu came outside of the room and what he said? Don't jackal, don't kill that small animals. If you want to fill your stomach, you can kill me and you can fill your stomach. The jackal who had been waiting for this opportunity dragged the sadhu and ran into the jungle. From so many days he was waiting, no. Jackal is waiting to kill sadhu. As he got the opportunity, he took sadhu and he ran deep in the forest. He took the sadhu to a lonely place. Where he has taken sadhu? To a lonely place. What is the meaning of lonely? Lonely is nothing but where no one will be, where no one can reach. It is an open place and no one can come and see what is happening there. Then tore him into pieces and ate him up. Jackal tore sadhu into number of pieces and he ate. The animals were very sad, angry and disappointed with what had happened to the sadhu. So this news spread to each and every animal. So all the animals, they felt very sad because sadhu is the only person who explained each and every animal what is what. Okay now? So children, now what happened? So every animal was afraid of sadhu now. So what happened? The animals were very sad, angry and disappointed with what had happened to the sadhu. They were afraid that the hungry jackal would appear again the next day. So now they are afraid that now sadhu is not there, now jackal will kill each and every animal. They are very much afraid. Then they heard a strange noise. All of them ran in that direction. Suddenly, some noise were heard from very far. Who is that? All the animals ran there. What they saw surprised them. They saw the stomach of the jackal growing bigger and bigger. So what they have seen? The jackal have eaten sadhu. No, who is sadhu? Sadhu is a moon. Moon will be always this much only. It will become big. As it is becoming big, in the stomach of jackal also becoming very big as moon is becoming bigger. It continued to bloat until it burst. So what happened? Becoming big and the stomach has been burst. Then they heard of the jackal growing bigger and bigger. It continued to bloat until it burst. Then they heard a soft voice. May my animals, birds and insects live in peace and harmony. May there be no fences around you. May you sing, dance once again. Remember me and be not afraid. So from inside of the jackal's stomach, someone is speaking. Who is speaking? That is moon. What it is saying? May my animals be like before. They should not afraid of anyone. They should conduct musical evening and they should be very happy with each other. When they looked up at the sky, they saw the moon shining brilliantly. Again, when the animals have seen up, the moon is shining very brilliantly, spreading milky brightness over the earth. The animals once again started to roam, sing and sleep in peace. They broke down the fences which they had built. They invited the moon and the stars for their cultural evenings. So again what happened, Nana? How they were before, again they are like that only. So again there were musical evenings. Again they invited moon and stars as a guest. All the animals are very happy. They are mingling with each other. What is the moral of the story, Nana? It is nothing but if we do good, again goodness will come back. If you think bad of others, again the same bad thing will come back to you. So always think good of everyone. Don't think bad of everyone. Okay children, I hope you all understood this lesson. Twice or thrice again you read the lesson. If you are unable to understand, you can send message to me. Again once more I will explain you. Thank you. Have a nice day.